Hi guys, my name is Fluke and this is my channel, the F&IT Guy. If you're new here, welcome and please subscribe if you like the content. If you're returning, welcome back and I hope you still find this helpful. Today I'm going to quickly look at Excel and how to find which cells will affect other cells or which cells have affected other cells. So if you've got an Excel sheet that you want to run with, just open it up quickly and let's find something where a formula is and you can then click with me on your sheet. So what I've got here, I've got a little board game sheet quickly created on some of the board games that we've bought recently, and for insurance purposes, for instance, I wanted to create a little sheet that says, look, this is the cost of whatever games I've got, because these guys stuff does get expensive. So what I want to find out is that 482.50, that just doesn't look right. My credit card says, I spent more or I spent less, and that doesn't look right. So how do I find which cells affect that specific cell? So what I'll do is I'll click on that cell, and then on Excel go to formulas, formula auditing, and then trace precedents. Click on that, it will show me that this value comes from these 5 cells over there. If I've had some value from here, it will show that it's there as well. But if I click it again, it shows me what these values are coming from. So in other words, this value is coming from this one, total times quantity will give me that. There again, total times quantity will give me that. And then immediately I can immediately see, look, I made a mistake. I'm pulling my information from the wrong cells. Example, this one at the bottom, not even featuring because it's looking at the wrong cells. So this one was done intentionally so that I can have these little arrows. But if I click on it again, so just make sure I'm clicking in my main cell which I want to track from. I click trace precedent, it will show me the next section. If I click it one more time, you're going to see this little sheet sign. So it's a little dotted line with a sheet. That just tells me that I'm getting my information from another sheet. If I double click it, there I can see I'm getting my information from there and there. So the one would be, let's double click it, doing some type of X lookup where I'm looking up these names and returning these values. So if I change this one to 8,000, it should update on this side as well. So to remove the arrows, just click remove arrow and then you can see it updates. And from here I can quickly go and fix up to say, look, I did something wrong, let's just drag it again, just fix up everything quickly. Now if I go trace precedents, I'm still doing something wrong over here. Let's just do it from top to bottom. There we go, fixes up everything quickly. And there we can see everything pulls from the right place. I'll double click there, I can see it's coming from the other sheet. So that is looking backwards. And what I mean by that is I started with my answer and I went backwards trying to find all the information. Now you can do this going forward as well. So what you'll do is, for instance, is I want to know if this thing, this cell here, B3, if it changes, what will that cell affect? Now that's very important sometimes depending on the sheet you work. So what you can do is you click trace dependence. So it will tell you, look, it will affect those 2 cells. Those 2 cells are using that cell for any type of calculations. Click it again, it will show you where those ones find it, and again it will go through. Similarly to the trace precedents, if you go here and you click on that one and you say trace dependence, it will show you, it will go to another sheet. You can go to that sheet, there you can see all the places it will affect. Let's go there and then just continue clicking and it will move on. That just means I've done everything, there's nothing left to go. And again, just remove arrows. So on this sheet is a very small sheet, so it's easy to see everything, but you do get massive sheets where you have to quickly work through hundreds of lines to find the information. It's just much easier if you can quickly find the arrows to point where it's supposed to go, especially if you've got one column making a fault in the formula or something and the sheet is thousands of lines big. So I'm hoping this helped one of you guys or many of you guys. And if you've got any questions, please post it in the comment section. If you like, press subscribe. Thanks.